wait a minute. Didn't one of my last videos in Guadalajara start like this? Not this time, because yes, I am staying at the same exact apartment that I stayed at the last time I was in Guadalajara. The same one that I complained over and over about the Wi-Fi. This time, that is not the case, because I kept in contact with the landlord or the host of this apartment, and she confirmed that she took care of the Wi-Fi problems. She switched to a different company for the Wi-Fi, so thank you for that. Therefore, I am back. That was my only complaint about this apartment, the Wi-Fi. So if that's fixed, I am paying a little bit more now for this apartment. Last time I paid 8,000 pesos a month for this apartment. This time I'm paying 8,500 pesos. So 500 pesos more, which is about $25. So that ends up being about $380 to $400, depending on when you actually look up the conversion rate, because when I looked it up about a week or two ago, it was $380. Now it's $401. So it just depends on when you actually look at the conversion. It fluctuates so much. So anyways, if you didn't see my past room tour of this apartment, I'll go ahead and show it to y'all again. So let's get started with the room tour of my... Actually, I have no idea how much this apartment is a night. I'm not sure how long I'm staying here either. I think 31 days. So 8,500 divided by 31. 274 pesos a night. Go right here. Go right here. I'm only paying $13 a night, as opposed to $12 a night. So just $1 difference a night. That's nothing to complain about. Anyways, let's go ahead and get the room tour started. The apartment tour started. Let's go ahead and put this chair back. Let's start with the bathroom. There's a lovely toilet. Let me go ahead and close these windows so the people outside don't have to listen to me and do a room tour. All right, and here's a shower. The bar soap is actually mine. This belongs to the apartment. This is supplied from the apartment. A nice sink. These are my Q-tips. Some towels. A nice little mirror. Yes, I did get a haircut yesterday. I did not post any photos of it or anything because I was so tired yesterday. I just wanted to relax and enjoy my time with my girlfriend, Rose. So anyways, let's check out the kitchen area. We have a microwave, a sink, a stovetop, a refrigerator, two tables you can eat at. Some nice chairs to sit on. Now this table is new. This table was not here in this apartment when I stayed here about 3 months ago. It is a very nice addition. I am using my laptop now to watch YouTube, Netflix, etc. because I packed my Roku. There it is right there. My dumbass didn't pack the fucking remote. And you cannot get on Roku on the Roku app on the iPhone unless the Roku is set to the same Wi-Fi as your phone. So I can do everything from the laptop though, that's no problem. Although I don't have a remote control for the laptop, so that sucks, but whatever. Anyways, nice couch over here. The same couch I had last time. Pretty comfortable couch. No complaints on the couch at all. The girl that I was dating when I stayed here the first time, she hated this artwork. I don't mind it. It's not terrible. I mean, I don't get what it is exactly, but no complaints though. I mean, and then you got 3 mirrors on the wall up here. I'm 5'2", so I'm never gonna be looking at myself unless I'm doing some crazy sexual shit on the bed to where I would be up there. And here's the bed. I shouldn't do this because in the last video it hurt, but in case y'all didn't see that room tour, that bed is still not soft at all. It's a comfortable bed. It's a very comfortable bed when you're just laying down and sleeping in it, but if you just want to plop down in it, you will hurt yourself. You will hurt your back. So anyways, that's about it for the room. Nothing else to really show. So thank you for watching. Here's a television. I don't use their cable at all because I don't know Spanish. That wraps it up for the room tour, I guess then. So yeah, my name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. I hope you enjoyed this room tour, this explanation of why I'm staying at the same apartment that I complained over and over about the Wi-Fi. I got it solved, that's why. I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to take it a step further, hit that notification bell. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. One more time, just for good measure. I didn't really plop down on it hard enough to hurt myself. Okay, it's softer in the middle. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's the ends that are not so soft. The middle of the bed is just fine. The ends of the bed, not so much. Whew. Adios from Guadalajara. There will be another video today, but I just wanted to make a separate video doing a room tour because I'm about to be going back to the bar that I love to go to, Cerveceria Alcade. Stay tuned for that video.